Hi, Michael Thibault here from the Dunfew Marketing Offices with this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. And if you could do me another favor after this video is over to like our brand new Facebook page. We post a lot of great marketing information for free. It's going to help you get more new customers. And we post a couple shenanigans around the office and some fun stuff as well. So make sure you like our Facebook page after watching this video. Today I want to talk about user-generated content, which is a new customer acquisition strategy. This is going to help your message get viral. It's going to help get more eyes on your website, your social media, your Google business listing, and your review sites. Because what other people say about your business is more powerful than what you say. So I'll give you 3 tips on how to be able to generate more user content online, be it through Facebook, be it through review sites, or your Google business listing, okay? So first and foremost, we all know that our customers have their mobile device within arm's reach, right? Everybody has a smartphone now. Everybody takes pictures. If you walk through, I love this because I call it food porn. When you walk through a restaurant, you see people taking pictures of the plates all the time and sharing it with their friends, right? And I guarantee you, if you have a restaurant and you go on your Google business listing, you're going to see lots of photos that you did not take that your customers shared to your Google business listing, okay? That's user-generated content, and Google loves that, okay? So that's going to help your search engine optimization and help you get towards the top in your business category. So why not have a contest? Have a Facebook contest. Have a Google contest of who can take the best picture and upload it to one of your social media channels, okay? This is going to help things go viral because people take a picture and say this is a steak on a wooden plank. They're going to share it with their friends. Hey, this is so cool, or this is a new beer they have on tap, right? That's why they call it social media, all right? People are sharing things all the time, so you want to encourage that. That's user-generated content, okay? So have a contest. Whoever posts the best Facebook picture of whatever it is in your business, you're going to give them a $50 gift card to your business. Run a contest for photos. It works to generate more user-generated content. Also video, okay? Video is extremely popular now, and people love watching short videos, and they love taking videos of themselves. So why not have a video contest that they can upload to one of your social media networks or a YouTube channel or your Facebook page? Again, people love to take videos, so take advantage of that. And video is great content, and Google loves video. And some people consume video, and some people consume print marketing and print words. And people are leaning towards video, so I encourage all of our clients to take more video and also encourage user-generated video. You can use the same idea and have a contest for a video in your business and have some fun with it, right? Nobody wants to be bored when they come into your business, so put some signage out, have a couple ideas, and get some more video, user-generated content for your business. Also reviews. Now this is the #1 user-generated content online because we all check reviews, you know you do, before you try a new business, especially if you own a restaurant, auto repair shop, or a retail shop. Those are the 3 top categories in all the review sites. Now, you know we do review management, so we manage tens of thousands of reviews a month for our clients. Reviews are the best user-generated content that you can have for your business. So take advantage of it, encourage it, ask for it, and make sure you answer those reviews because user-generated content is going to help push your website up on the Google business rankings, and it's also going to help get your marketing message to go viral and get more eyes on your website. Thanks for watching this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minute, and don't forget to like our new Facebook page. See you next week.